Welcome to Imanni Music Lessons, where we learn how to make music a mental health solution in our lives. I'm so glad to have you here today. So to get started, let's loosen up a wee bit, let's shake it all out. Let's make sure that our bodies are making an L shape with our seat, and also that our arms are making that little quack, that little duck arm motion right here. Let those arms relax and make a little L shape with your arm this way. Make sure that those hands are nice and loose, because we want to feel nice and loose through this lesson. And right before we start, let's get ourselves not only body prepared, but mind prepared with a little mental health quote. This is a quote from Leonard Cohen. "There is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in." So, anytime that you're having a problem, that you're feeling stressed, that you're feeling a little bit anxious about the lessons that's going through, it's okay. Those are the problems that lead to solutions. You have to have problems to have solutions. So don't take it as a bad thing if you're struggling with something. Take it as an opportunity to learn something awesome and amazing, and also to be able to share that wisdom with other people too. Okay, now our mind and bodies are ready, so let's get started with today's piano lesson. Let's say that we're looking at the other notes. For example, we have E to G. Now if we were to play an E major scale, you'll see that there is no G natural. We have a G sharp over here. So we can tell that this interval is not a major interval. So now let's try out a minor scale. An E minor scale goes as the following. If we play an E minor scale, you'll see that G is present inside of the scale. So we can tell that this is a minor third. Definitely look at our scales videos for more details about playing major and minor scales.